Let's talk about making money with social media as a content creator and some of the skills that you need to be able to earn a living with social media. If you're new here, my name is Alice and I'm a chartered professional accountant by trade. And in the past year or so, I've built up a 6-figure coaching business along with my YouTube channel. I'm going to be making a couple of videos on this series on how to make money using social media. So make sure you stay tuned for upcoming similar videos. But today we're talking about the skills that you need as a content creator and how to be successful when it comes to content creation. The first skill is the ability to make things look aesthetic or visually pretty. So on the internet, pretty sells. Pretty sells anything. Anything that's visually aesthetic sells. Food that looks visually appealing will attract people. A book that has a nice cover will attract people. So having aesthetic eye or a creative eye will really allow you to attract an audience, and it will allow you to make more money off of social media because people buy and are attracted to things with their eyes. So filming aesthetic Instagram reels, filming aesthetic YouTube videos, anything that is visually pleasing on the eye. This is assuming you're not targeting businesses, you're just targeting individual people. If you're targeting business, it still helps to have things look, branding and have things look visually attractive, but usually business owners are looking for more specific messaging to solve their problems. But for most people on social media, having the ability to make things look good will basically guide you through the rest of this video. When I first started on social media, I had to learn things about color palettes and branding and fonts, type fonts, what fonts match other fonts, how to have a consistent brand and vibe. I didn't go to school for anything aesthetic, and I've never had an extremely keen creative eye my whole life. I'm more of a numbers person. These are things that I had to learn along the way. What fonts match? How do you make a thumbnail look pretty? How do you make background sets and YouTube videos look pretty? These are all things that are important. When people say that they're competing on production quality on social media, a big part of it is just making things look nice. The second skill is the ability to explain difficult concepts in simple ways. So in school, most of us are taught that more words are better. School wants 30-page essays, 100-page PowerPoint slides, very big, complex words. I used to look up words in the thesaurus when I wrote essays in school, right, to sound smart. So litmus test. If your grandma and your 5-year-old child cannot understand your content, it's not going to attract a mass audience. If you make talking head content, remember that when you're competing for the click and the scroll, you're competing against someone that is cooking. Okay, you're competing with somebody that's making, some sort of crazy dessert or like some sort of crazy deep fried thing and like opening up the pastry, showing you the gooey inside. Why would someone watch you talk over that pastry? That's what you're competing against when it comes to the click. So make sure it's quality content that's explained in a way that anyone can understand. And making concepts easily consumable by mass audience has huge appeal. If you look at any of the biggest channels of some of the smartest people, they're able to explain complex concepts in a very digestible and easy way. For myself, I still struggle with this one. I still struggle with this one because sometimes when the camera turns on, I can be very verbose. I have 1,000 words to say, but in order to be a good content creator, you have to learn how to summarize those concepts, those 1,000 words into 100 words, right? That both your 2-year-old toddler and, your 90-year-old grandma would understand. Next skill is understanding the concept of a sales funnel. Understanding what to do at each level of the funnel, top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom of funnel, what this actually means when it comes to your content creation strategy, when it comes to your sales strategy, when it comes to promoting your offers is very important. So I highly recommend reading Marketing Made Simple by Donald Miller if you're not familiar with how funnels work. Learning how to attract, nurture, and convert is, a key part of funnel marketing. Any company that sells anything has a funnel. Any business that sells anything has a funnel. This also goes for social media. So, whether you're in business or not, or what you sell, the concept of a funnel will apply. Even an accounting firm has a pipeline and a funnel, right? So if you understand how a funnel works in the concept of social media and how funnel marketing works, this will really help you with your ability to convert viewers, which is top of funnel, into buyers. Next is having website building or landing page skills. So if you want to collect emails and build an email list, then you're going to need a website. Anytime a person sells anything to anyone on the internet, you need a website or a landing page because it's more professional. You need somewhere to send people if they have questions. You need, a place for them to go. your social media profile isn't really a website is a website. If you don't have the full skills for website design can be very complex and also very expensive if you outsource it. Then I would start with a simple landing page. There are a couple of landing page softwares out there that are really good, that have templates built into them, that will basically do everything that you need for the most part in the beginning stages. But this is also a part of the sales funnel as well, because having a website is also, a part of funnel marketing as well, because having a place where you can send people to go read more about you, what you do, what you offer, will be able to help you generate more sales with social media. Next skill is copywriting. Learning how to write to sell with words is a very powerful and high income skill. Copywriting is extremely powerful and very important, whether it's short form copy, long form copy, email, YouTube scripts, Instagram post, LinkedIn posts. Everything you see on social media that has words associated is a form of copy. And everything you see on social media usually has a visual element plus the copy. So if you're using social media as a content creator or using it to sell, then learning how to write compelling copy that attracts your audience, that stops the scroll, that keeps them wanting to consume more, go down your feed, is a very powerful skill for using social media to make money. One book that I'm currently reading right now is Breakthrough Advertising. It's like the grandfather of marketing books, but learning a lot from that book in terms of writing copy that converts. Next skill is newsletter or email list management. Email is the most primary form of communication in 2024. I made a detailed video a while back on how to start an email list from scratch in 2024, which I'll leave up top here. So make sure you guys check out that video because I go over all of the tech and the recommendations and how to write to your list, nurture and attract your list to your offers. But everyone has email these days. Everyone communicates with email. Everyone can be reached out to by email. So understanding how to speak to a list, run a newsletter, build a list, how a list fits into your email funnel is very important, and it'll help you generate more sales. The last is the ability to gather social proof and build authority. This is something that I learned from the book Influence, which is a very popular marketing book. But humans are very FOMO characteristics to us. People will do things and buy things just because other people are doing them and buying them. So if everyone is buying and raving about a certain thing, people will be naturally inclined to be curious or want to try the thing too, just because other people are doing it. So Influence is a must read for anyone looking to improve communication skills, to better understand how people think and make decisions, but also understand the power of social proof and how to build authority and build case studies and testimonials to help you sell and promote your offers. Social proof, a good offer, multiple price points. It's a whole system of little must-haves that work in conjunction with one another to help you sell more with social media. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Let me know down in the comments below whether you have any questions on making money with social media. I'm going to be making some more video topics about this in the future, especially when it comes to different ways of making money online, how to start a coaching business or a coaching practice. So all of these videos are in the pipeline and I'm going to be releasing them over time. So let me know whether you have any questions. For all you people out there that are coaching or interested in coaching, make sure you follow me on Instagram because I definitely have a lot more golden nuggets on Instagram related to building a coaching business. So make sure you check me out there and I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time.